मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं चरणं प्रपद्ये। ॐ सत्यवाचे नमः। ॐ सत्यविक्रमाय नमः। ॐ सत्यव्रताय नमः। ॐ सदा हनुमदाश्रिताय नमः। Welcome to the 51st episode of the Sundara Vahini series. Will Hanuman embrace Mainaka's help or rush ahead? Kuru sachivyamasmakam nanah karyamatikramet kartavyamakrtam karyam satam manyumudirayet. Saliladurdhvamuttishthatiष्ठत्वेष कपिस्त्वयि अस्माकम् अतिथिश्चैव पूज्यश्च प्लवतां वरः. Imagine Hanuman flying across the ocean, absolutely determined and bursting with energy, focused on his mission for Sri Rama and searching tirelessly for Sita Mata. Samudra Raja senses that something extraordinary is happening. Naturally, when greatness approaches, everybody feels compelled to help. You might have noticed how easy it is to want to step up when you see someone overcoming huge challenges with real skill. That's what Samudra Raja feels as Hanuman nears the Mainaka Parvata, the golden mountain. With urgency in his words, Samudra Raja tells Mainaka, "Rise up, let Hanuman rest above you. If you miss this chance to help a legend, you will regret it and disappoint the elders." Many people begin to realize that saying yes to such decisive moments creates a ripple, shaping greatness for everyone involved. It's as if helping Hanuman turns you into a legend yourself, making your support part of an incredible victory. So, as Hanuman zooms closer, a question quietly arises. Will this heroic welcome lead to a new strength and surprises? Or will it unlock the next big test for the unstoppable Vanara? To be continued in the next episode of the Sundara Vahini series. Om Rama Bhakta Namaha.